So if you are having this kind of error while trying to install any application on your phone, then don't worry, I've got you covered. So in this video, we will walk through some simple steps to fix this kind of error. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So before we proceed, make sure that you have stable connection. So yeah, make sure to have a stable internet. So the first step is restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart may work. And the another step is you need to move to phone settings. Then you need to move to apps. You can just hold your app Play Store and you can just approach here. So you need to come here and you need to search for one application, and that is Google Play Services. So just tap on it, you will be welcomed here, and you need to just move to now storage. Okay, after that you need to clear its cache data. So clear, and after that you need to allow some permission you might be missing. Some settings like calls log, SMS and location are not really important, but make sure other are turned on. Okay, so we are going to Play Store now. Okay, Play Store. So just you need to search for Play Store here, Google Play Store. So just tap on it. Again you need to move to its storage and you need to clear its cache file and clear its data. So after that you need to open your Play Store once again and try reinstalling that application, and after this your problem should be fixed. But if you are still having the problem, then another step is you need to navigate to settings and we need to find account here. So what we're gonna do is removing our Google account and re-adding it. So make sure you are familiar with your password. Okay, so yeah, come here and you need to remove your account and re-add it. So yeah, there you have it. These were the simple steps that you can just use to fix this problem. So I hope this video helped you out. So if you have any question or suggestion, then leave in the comment section. I'll reply as soon as faster. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.